Okay, take two. This is an example of what happens when it snows in Virginia Beach. Yeah. And you'll notice that this road is completely non-plowed. Because that's what it goes on here when it snows. You just don't get your roads plowed. Look at that. Side view. Completely non-iced, non-plowed, non-sanded road. And there's sand just a few feet away up at the beach. I love the beach, but right now it's so sad. Anyway, I have just come from lunch at Chick's with the Peters, and they didn't think I would make it up the hill, but I made it up the hill. Oh, and here we go. We've got a golf cart up ahead pulling a girl behind it on, like, I don't know, a sled. Oh, actually, that would be a surfboard. Yeah, welcome to the beach. You guys are cool. That's safe. Good thing that was parent approved. Aw, there's little babies out there like, oh my god, I've never seen snow before. How exciting. This lady looks like she can't really walk. It's okay, lady, it's just snow. It's kind of like sand. And then there's my neighbors who love to like just fucking walk in the middle of the street with their dogs. Yeah, get your dog out of there. Ooh, that dog did not want to move. Ooh, and it looks like I'm stuck. Oh god, I'm from Massachusetts, so I should be able to drive in this, but usually they plow. I know. Okay, I'm back. I made it through that. They don't plow here. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, and that guy is in a truck, so he thought he was cool.